Paul Tudor Jones compares the Bitcoin price to the early days of Apple and Google. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by the Daily Hodl staff and brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones says investing in Bitcoin is like betting on Apple and Google in the early days of the tech titans. In a new interview on CNBC, Jones explained why he's more bullish on Bitcoin now than he was when he initially revealed his investment in Bitcoin. The founder of Tudor Investment Corporation, who's known for predicting the 1987 stock market crash, says the Federal Reserve's unprecedented quantitative easing is ramping up inflation, and that Bitcoin happens to be the best inflation trade among traditional options like gold, copper, and treasury inflation-protected securities. And he continued by saying Bitcoin has this enormous contingency of really smart and sophisticated people who believe in it, and that it's like investing with Steve Jobs and Apple or investing in Google very early. Now, Bitcoin dipped below $4,000 in March amid a COVID-induced financial crisis, and that was a sweet time to buy. I took advantage of that dip, and I hope you were also able to since it has rebounded. Last week, Bitcoin soared to its highest level of the year after online payment firm PayPal announced that it will support cryptocurrencies on its platform. Amid Bitcoin's soaring price, Jones thinks that the massive bull run, well, that is just getting started, citing that the rally is still in the first inning. Oh my God, if we're only in the first inning, I can't wait to see what happens when we get to the ninth. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And this episode is brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Now, I recommend Swan Bitcoin to all my friends, boomers and non-boomers, anyone who's interested in Bitcoin. I'm an advisor to Swan, so of course, I think it's a great way to buy Bitcoin with dollar cost averaging and actually get some skin in the game. It's really kind of amazing how much people start discovering and learning about Bitcoin once they get a little skin in the game. That's true, I'm telling you already. Use my referral link if you're interested, swanbitcoin.com/Gary, and receive $10 worth of Bitcoin as a reward for signing up. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin Show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.